we are supposed to find the smallest number by which 200 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. So what we do, we first of all write this 200 as a multiple of its prime factors. So we shall say 200 divided by 2 gives us 100. 100 divided by 2 gives us 50. 50 divided by 2 gives us 25. 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. And then 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. So we shall write 200 as a multiple of its prime factors as 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Now in power form, we shall have it as 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3 times 5 raised to power 1, 2. Now, for a number to be a perfect cube, the product of its prime factors must be having a power divisible by 5. By 3, because this is a cube. We are looking for a cube. So the power must be divisible by 3. This one is already sorted. But for this one, you realize we have 5 squared. So what can we do, or what can we multiply this one by so that the power is divisible by 3? You realize we'll have to multiply by 5. So that is the number that is missing to multiply 200 by, so that we get a perfect cube. Question 2, we have to find the smallest number by which 2250 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. We do the same, start by writing this as a product of its prime factors. So we shall have 2250 divided by 2 giving us 1125, divided by 3 giving us 375, divided by 3 giving us 125, divided by 5 giving us 25, divided by 5 giving us 5, and then we divide this 5 by 5 to get 1. So we can write that as a product of its prime factors as this 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5, which in power form can be written as 2 raised to power 1 times 3 squared times 5 cubed. As we said before, for a number to be a perfect cube, the powers must be divisible by 3. So this one is not divisible by 3. Ask yourself, how many 2's should I multiply by this so that the power is divisible by 3? We have to multiply it by 2 2's. So we shall say the number is 2 times 2. So by multiplying this one by 2 by 2, we shall have 2 cubed, and therefore this one will be a perfect cube. What about this one? It is 3 squared. For us to make it 3 cubed, we have to multiply it by 1, 3. So we shall say times 3. Of course, this one, if you simplify this, it is the same as 2 squared times 3, which gives us 4 times 3, and that is 12. So this is the least number you can multiply this one by to make it a perfect cube. Thank you.